Here are few things you need to learn, but let's uh, check them out tomorrow, not today, okay?
Okay.
And this for now, let's start directly the next lesson. This one.
Okay.
Yes. There we were spelling one by one here, right? One word,
Yeah.
then the next one. Here is the whole word. You have to do it letter by letter, as we did in the previous lessons. Let me do the first one by myself, then you will learn how to do.
Okay.
Yes. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now look, first letter is Alif, right?
Yeah.
Yes, then this is standing Fatha. So Alif standing Fatha, A, then Mim Fatha Ma. This was A, this is Ma, then both Ma. Now we will move on to the third one. Noon Fatha Na, Ma Na. Right? One by one,
Yeah.
you have to add. You don't have to jump directly to other word before joining, before reading all those you have joined already in in one breath together. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Now your turn, Maida.
Alif Fatha Mim Fatha Ma.
No, no, no,
Na.
no. Look carefully. Alif doesn't have fatha. Simple fatha.
Standing Fatha.
Yes. Then how would you read with standing fatha?
Alif standing Fatha.
Yes.
Alif standing Fatha. Mim Fatha Ma.
Hmm.
Nun Fatana.
Yes.
Amana.
Hmm. Yes. Mana.
Amana.
Yes. I hope you can do all those other letters by yourself. Hmm?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, read the next one.
Alif standing Fatha. Wow standing Fatha. Wow. Wa.
Yes, good.
Awa.
Excellent. There is nothing on ya, so let's only skip this. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Next one.
Alif. Alif standing Fatha. Nun. Nun kasra. Ni.
Hmm.
Ani.
Yes.
Ani.
Hmm.
Ya Fatha. Ya. Anin. Ya.
Yes. Nia. Good.
Da double kasra. Din.
Hmm.
A.
Hmm. Yes. Yes.
A. Niyatin.
Yes. Exactly. Well done. Niyatin.
Aniyatin.
Yes. Next one.
Alif standing kasra. E.
Well done.
Lam standing fatha. La. Ba.
Mm-hmm. Read them
No.
together first.
Ila.
Yes, well done.
Ba kasra. B.
Hmm.
Alabi.
No. Try again,
No.
and
Ilabi.
now once again. Read this one.
Alif standing kasra. E.
And
Lam standing fatha. La.
both.
Ila.
Yes, this is E and this is La. So E, La.
Ila.
And this one.
Ba kasra
Why
B.
this is Ba? This is not Ba. Where is the Da? Look. And what is
Oh,
the
noon.
shape? Not Noon. Noon doesn't have this shape. Look. Noon is simple.
Ya.
Ya has two dots at the bottom. What
Fa.
is what is this one?
Fa.
Yes, Fa. Look at the head. Mm-hmm. Fa. Fa kasra.
Fa. Fa kasra Fi.
Hmm.
Ilafi.
No. What was the first letter? That
Alif
was
standing kasra E.
E. Yes. And
Ilafi.
yes, Ilafi. Now you read right. Yes. Can you do it again, Maida?
Alif standing kasra E. Lam standing fathala. Ila.
Hmm.
Fa. Fa kasra Fi.
Hmm.
Ilafi.
Yes, Ilafi. Well done. Now next one. Good, Maida. Good.
Alif. Alif fatha a ya ya sukun.
Yes. Don't say like this. Read Alif with Ya along with Ya.
Okay.
As you did
Alif
previous in the
fatha
previous lesson. Mm-hmm.
alif fatha ya sukun a.
No, you're not reading with Ya. Again, try again.
Alif fatha ya sukun I.
Yes, like this.
Nun fatha na
Hmm.
aina
Yes, now you read right. Aina.
aina.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Next one.
Ba kasra bi mim
Not meme.
ha.
Yes, ha.
Ha standing kasra he bihi.
Mm.
Jim fat Jim fatha
Okay, this one here you can see this thing. You know this thing?
no.
This is called mud.
Oh madda
Not madda. Madda is
ma.
something else. Yes, only mud. This is called mud. Okay?
So what I say alif madda.
Nah, don't say alif madda. You have to say jim fatha alif sukun mad. One by one. Look. Jim fatha alif sukun or alif madda. Just say alif sukun. This is simple. Jim fatha alif sukun mad. Right?
Jim yeah.
First is this, second is this, third is this. So in sequence.
Jim fatha alif sukun mad.
Mhm. Ja.
Ja.
Yes, when you see this, you have to stretch the word, okay? The letter.
Okay.
Mm.
Jim fatha alif sukun mad. Ja.
Mm.
Ain
Not
Fatha A.
Ain, not Ain. Ain is this. This one is Ain.
Hamza.
Yes, Hamza.
Hamza Fatha A.
Ah, only
Ah.
ah. Hmm.
Ja'a.
Ja. Stretch.
Ja'a.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Next one.
Jim. Jim standing. Jim standing. Kasra. Alif. Sukun. Mad. G.
Excellent.
Hamza. Hamza Fatha. A. G. A.
Yes, G.
G. A.
Hmm. Good, good, Maida, good. Doing great, mashallah. Next one.
Um. Oh yeah. Jim. Dhamma. Jim. Dhamma. Uh,
Hmm.
Wow.
Hmm.
Sukun.
Yes.
Ciao.
No, Dhamma.
Oh yeah. Ju.
Hmm.
Ju.
Yes.
Ayin. Double. Kasra. E.
Double kasra. What is the sound of tanween?
In.
Yes. And now the whole word.
June.
Ju.
In.
Jun, no, Ju.
Ju. In.
Yes. Well done. Next one.
Kaf. Fatha.
Not kaf.
Ka.
You saying kha, right?
Kha. Kha.
Mm-hmm.
Fatha. Ka.
Not alone.
Oh yeah. Kha. Fatha. Ya.
Not ya.
Wow. Madda.
Sukun, say sukun. Kha, fatha, waw, sukun.
Kha. Fatha. Wow. Sukun. E. Cow.
Yes, excellent.
Fa. Double kasra. Fin. Cow. Fin.
Excellent.
Kha.
Okay,
Fatha.
Maida, that's enough, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you won't be able to finish Mahira's class. She takes
Okay.
much
Yeah.
time, right? Time too much. Okay, let's continue from here tomorrow. Okay, Maida, you did great,
Okay.
mashallah, today. Okay, Maida, see you tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.
Walaikum salam. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.